With a generally successful democratic exercise in the rear-view mirror, the president hailed the country's teachers and volunteers who put in their entire hearts, minds, and energies into helping administer and manage the voting and counting protocols in Monday's midterm elections. As a token of the government and people's gratitude, the president instructed a higher honoraria for all teachers and their assistants who ran Monday's nationwide polls. In heeding the president's call, the Department of Budget and Management approved the release of an extra 2,000 pesos honorarium for all teachers who put in work on Monday.
Gusto kong maging bahagi ng eleksyon pagkat ito ay aking responsibilidad bilang isang Pilipino at gusto ko ay maging bahagi ng isang tapat na halalan.
Ito ay bilang pagkilala sa kanilang mahalagang papel sa maayos na pagsasagawa ng 2025 national and local elections. Ibig sabihin, magiging 12,000 pesos na ang honoraria para sa mga electoral board chairperson. 11,000 pesos naman para sa poll clerk at third member, habang 8,000 pesos naman para sa mga support staff.